getting a flashbacks I could have done better than this. So understand what other person is you know Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a book review. The book is about emotional intelligence and it is written by James Williams. The book is completely focuses on emotional intelligence. The first part is introduction, and another three parts is what is emotional intelligence, benefits of emotional intelligence, and how can we rise emotional intelligence inside us. What is exactly emotional intelligence? Writer says it is the awareness of a person about its feelings and emotions and how he can deal with it. Even emotional intelligence is about knowing another person's emotions and understanding their feelings. The writer has given the 10 benefits of emotional intelligence. I will share three of them which I like the most. First one is self-awareness. It is related to self-awareness. As we are aware of ourselves, you can master your emotions in any situation. You know that this might happen. Maybe you are in a party and this suddenly something happens and you get angry. So at that time you know how to control your anger and not to just let it out and show how much angry you are. So this might help you. This way emotional intelligence help you. And the second is you can easily resolve conflicts. Like if you are into some difficult kind of situation, in such a situation you can keep yourself calm and decide what exactly you should do, and how you can get out of that situation than just crying over the things what's happening. And the third one is my favorite, that you will not do anything or say anything that you will regret later. So yes, this happens many times with us. Sometimes we were just angry and we say something to somebody that hurts them, and later on we think that we shouldn't have said something like this. So yes, in the third chapter, Rising Your Emotional Intelligence, writer has given 7 ways to rise emotional intelligence. So I'm gonna share some of them with you. Understand your emotions and what triggers you. So this is the important one, to understand what triggers you exactly, what emotions you get triggered. Did you get angry? Did you get sad? What kind of feeling? Do you have a jealousy like feeling? And the reason behind it, why it is happening to you, that is, and to know why it is happening to you, that is what important. And the second is listen without judging. So many times if we are listening to a person, we end up judging them. She's saying because she's like rich, she don't know how to talk to somebody or speak to somebody, and such kind of things does happen. So writer tell us to not to judge people while listening to them. Just listen to them, nothing else. And the third one is learn to deal with criticism. See, in life we all go, at some point of we all go to into criticism. Somebody always criticizes for some reason. At that time we should learn to deal with it. We should not get like depressed or get badly affected of it. So at the end of this book, writer has highlighted the words of Travis Bradbury, who is also an author. So he says that people who fail to use their emotional intelligence skills are more likely to turn to others, less effective means of managing their mood, and are twice as likely to experience anxiety, depression, substance abuse, and even though thoughts of suicide. So yes, this is not really good. So yes, if you develop your emotional intelligence, you will be able to help yourself with this kind of situation, and good luck to you. So this is a really short book of 32 pages. I have found this book on Google Play Store, Google Play Store books. So yes, you can go there and read this book. It is completely free. If you are beginner and want to read something, so this is the good option for you, and you will definitely like this book. All about how to deal with situation in our life. And the important thing is, when I was reading this book, I was getting flashbacks like I could have done better than this. Like, I've done this thing wrong, I should have not done this, I should haven't say this to somebody, and I could have done better than it. And I also thought about the people who are in my life. If they have done something, then why they have done something. I have never thought about these things before, but after reading this book, I kind of wanna know, understand what other person is, understand what another person feels and why he's doing something the way he is doing. So yes, the book mostly focuses on the workplace environment and how we can deal with our colleagues and peers. So it is also helpful for that. If you wanna read it, go and just read it. It's a really nice book. And that's it for today. I'll take leave. I'll meet you next time. Till then, stay motivated.